Hi guys, nice day. This is May from Jasmine company. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to clean this Perfume Atomizer. You can see this is twist up Perfume Atomizer, and now many customers will use this bottle to fill perfume inside when they go out for traveling. So next I will teach you how to clean this Perfume Atomizer. Here are total 4 steps. First, spraying excess perfume that is left in your spray perfume bottle. You can see, include the spray pump. Second, making a soap and water mixture. To clean out your perfume bottle, we need to correct a mixture of dish soap and water in an empty perfume bottle. Fill the bottle up about halfway with warm water and 1 drop of dish soap. And then shake your spraying bottle to combine the water and the soap about 1 minute to mix the water and the soap together. Third, fill the clean mixture to the travel spraying bottle. And fill up about halfway. And then spray out all the mixture liquid until the water and the soap is all gone. Make sure to spray out all of the water from the atomizer so that it doesn't dilute the next perfume you put into the bottle. The last, just fill warm water in the bottle, also about halfway. And then spray out all the water. Then the perfume bottle has been cleaned. Thank you for your watching. If you think these tips can be useful to you, please click here to follow us or click here to watch more related videos. Bye bye.